Teen Mom star Ryan Edwards is set to be released from prison and sent to rehab in a shocking court ruling. Ryan, 35, appeared in Hamilton County Sessions Court in front of Judge Gary Starnes on July 14 after being sentenced to 11 months and 29 days in Silverdale Detention Center in April. The hearing is for his charges of harassment and possession of a controlled substance from his February 10th arrest, and driving under the influence and possession of a controlled substance from his April 7th bust. The U.S. Sun can exclusively reveal Ryan will be released from prison and will be sent to a rehab facility. A representative from the rehab facility told the judge a bed will be available on July 18. Judge Starnes said he viewed Ryan's over 200-page medical records that he described as disturbing. He said he's going to need help with underlining things. The representative from the facility said, "We will be making some sort of treatment plan. He can go there, then go to Oasis, the halfway house. They live there. He would also get the injection." Judge Starnes wants him to get a hair follicle test to make sure he's clean before taking the shot. A lawyer for the prosecution wanted to confirm Ryan is unable to leave the rehab facility. The rehab representative said he cannot leave at any time unsupervised. The inpatient rehab will last 28 days. Ryan's lawyer then mentioned him having contact with his children Jagger, 4, and Stella, 3, as he wants to speak with them on the phone. The prosecution said Mackenzie understands it's important for the kids to communicate through him as they ask about him. The judge agreed to lift the no-contact order so the kids can communicate through her. Judge Starnes ruled, "We'll give you a furlough. It's time for you to go to the program. It's your last chance to do this. You need to do what you can. If you violate rehab, if you leave, you'll be charged with escape and you will get consecutive sentences." He ended, "You don't want to spend 2 to 3 years in custody if you can get treatment." He will return to court on August 14. Ryan's parents, Jen and Larry, attended the court hearing. Ryan's ex-wife, Mackenzie, also came to court, though she did not interact with her in-laws and sat on the opposite end of the room. The family seemed nervous as Larry shook his leg throughout the hearing, while Jen and Mackenzie seemed solemn. Rehab plea. Ryan was previously in court on Wednesday, June 7, as his mom, Jen, and a rehab center in Chattanooga, Tennessee called Cottas testified at the hearing. The Ashley's Reality Roundup reported that the representative from Cottas requested Ryan be sent to rehab when a bed is available and to begin Vivitrol shots to help curb his opioid dependence. The U.S. Sun reported from Ryan's April 20th hearing regarding the 4 charges. Ryan was admitted into rehab on March 16 and discharged April 3. The state's attorney called an officer to take the stand at the hearing, as the official explained of Ryan's April 7th arrest for Dewey in possession of a controlled substance. "I was dispatched for a white male in a white pickup truck who was unconscious and unresponsive. The vehicle was running in drive. The truck rolled into a curb on the driver's side. The curb stopped the vehicle. It was just Mr. Edwards. He was unconscious, unresponsive. Fire was there. They were using a lockout kit to gain entry to the vehicle. He did not regain consciousness until he was put in medical and administered Narcan.